Woo! It's beautiful. Locks of love. Can you believe that she is going to donate her hair today? This is going to be amazing. I just cannot wait. I don't know how long she's been growing it, but it sure is very long. I think it was measured at 26 inches. Child, she got bundles for days. Hi, what's your name today?
What's that?
Oh, okay, she is here. She is a strong hair donating warrior. She has come to the DMV with doctor because she wants to give away her hair for a great cause and to cancer patients, correct? Is that right? You want to give away the cancer?
Yes.
All right. And this young girl, she had 26 inches of hair. And she still has a lot of hair. Okay? All right.